All right. Problem number 2. If you're in my classroom, I should see you, or hear you rather, reading it out loud with me. And if you are at home online, I should see your lips moving. Sam did 5 push-ups on Tuesday, and he did 6 times more push-ups on. How many push-ups did he do on Tuesday and Wednesday? We're talking about Tuesday and Wednesday. So what are we going to be doing again? I'm looking for the math word. Combining, absolutely. So we're going to be going and saying Tuesday and Wednesday. So that means we are going to be adding them or combining them. We're going to be adding them or combining them. You have this word problem, so you can underline both of those words. You can put a plus sign underneath the word and you can write combining. All right. So we've read it. Now I need some important information. Miss Todd, somebody from your room first, give me something important. Loud, my friend. Good. Sam did 5 push-ups on Tuesday. I could also think about this as a math equation, and I could say, because it's the same person, Tuesday equals how many? What would Tuesday equal? How many? Show me with your fingers, people at home. Show me with your fingers, people in class. Perfect. Tuesday would equal 5. So I'm thinking about it in terms of math. So I'm thinking about, I could even say, instead of writing Tuesday, I could even use T equals 5 because Tuesday is now represented by the T, which is my variable. We talked about the word variable when you use letters or symbols to represent numbers. So I'm just going to put that word there. That is my variable. T is my variable. All right, something else important. Somebody from my class, loud and proud, because I would love for Miss Todd to be able to hear you. Can you get loud? I'll get closer. You get loud.
He did 6 times more push-ups on Wednesday.
6 times more push-ups on Wednesday. Did you hear that, Miss Todd? All right. So he did 6 times more push-ups on Wednesday. Sam did 6 times more on Wednesday. Now, if I want to think about that as in math, anybody want to try and help me out how I could think about that as in writing it as a math sentence? Okay. I'm not sure who's messing with your camera, but I need it to stop. Thank you. All right. Wednesday. How could I write it? Yes, sir.
You could say Sam did 5 push-ups on Tuesday.
A little bit louder.
Sam did 5.
I've already got my words. I'm not looking for words anymore. I'm looking for written kind of like this. We can start with a W. Yep, for Wednesday. Wednesday equals, what would Wednesday equal? Miss Todd's class, you guys have that conversation for a moment. I'm going to talk with my kids about what Wednesday could equal. What could Wednesday equal? What could Wednesday equal? If I wanted to write it as a math sentence, is it going to equal 6? What could Wednesday equal? Yes, sir.
It could equal 6 or...
It can't equal 6. Wednesday equals Sam did 6 times more. So we can't equal 6. We have to equal 6 times more than what?
5.
Than 5. So Wednesday would equal 6 times more than 5 because 5 is Tuesday, right? Thumbs up if you guys are with me and understanding that, Miss Todd. Perfect. Thumbs up at home if you're with me and understanding that. Okay. Miss Atia, I'm asking for a thumbs up, honey. You have to be listening to me and not having a conversation. Thank you. So Sam did 6 times more on Wednesday. Wednesday equals 6 times whatever Tuesday was because he did 6 times more on Wednesday than he did on Tuesday, and Tuesday equaled 5. So here we are at Wednesday equals 6 times 5. Which one, let's restate our question first, and then we're going to ask the question about which one's going to be greater. My question is, how many push-ups did he do on Tuesday and Wednesday combined? How many push-ups did he do on Tuesday and Wednesday combined? Gladys, I'm going to hear from you in just a moment. Actually, I think you restated our last question, didn't you? So, Miss Todd, give me somebody from your class to restate that question for us.
We're thinking it out right now.
Perfect.
Okay.
How could we restate this question? You guys. We're talking it out too. How could I restate?
You're gonna do Sam did 5 push-ups on Tuesday and 6 times more push-ups on Wednesday. How much push-ups did he do on Wednesday? And
But all you have to do is take the question and restate it. So the question is, how many push-ups did he do on Tuesday and Wednesday? So now you need to restate that. On Tuesday and Wednesday,
Sam did 5 push-ups. and
yep, give me 1 second. He's finishing up.
6 times push-ups on Wednesday.
Perfect. All right. All right, Miss Todd, we're ready to hear yours. Love it. He did blank push-ups on Tuesday and Wednesday. You see how I'm capitalizing the days of the week all together. Now, I love how you said he, but could we have said who he was? Who is he? Sam with a capital S, as we capitalize our friends' names. Sam did blank push-ups on Tuesday and Wednesday all together, and you could have chosen the word combined or however you wanted to put it. Now we need to think about our bar model. Which bar is going to be the greatest? The amount that he did on Tuesday or the amount that he did on Wednesday? Which bar is going to be greater? Talk to your friends. Those of you in my classroom, talk to me. Mahmoud, I did call on you, buddy. Yes, sir. Perfect. Thank you for letting me know. We'll back it up a little bit too. That might help. There you go. Perfect. All right, friends in the classroom. I'm sorry, I was talking to you and you didn't hear me. Thank you for letting me know. All right. Perfect, guys. All right, Miss Todd. Are we good? Do we know which bar is going to be longest? Thumbs up. Yes, we do. Miss Todd's class knows. My class knows. The friends at home, I hope you know. Which one's going to be the longest? Caden. Wednesday is going to be the longest bar. You are absolutely right. So, when I look at what I know that Wednesday is 6 times more than Tuesday. So because I know that Wednesday is going to be 6 times more, I can go ahead and make one really long bar for Wednesday, and I can cut it into 6 sections. Another word for cutting something up you learned.
Divide.
It was dividing it into 6 sections, but I could also, there's one more word that you've learned. Anybody remember that word? Starts with a P. Ooh. Anybody got it in your room, Miss Todd? Because I have candy if they do. Starts with a P when you divide something up. Nope, not yet. All right. Partition, my friends. We're going to break it up or partition it into 6 sections. I will put that word up here so you can start remembering it. Partition. It's when you break something up into a certain number of pieces. So we're going to draw one big bar and we're going to partition or break it up into 6 equal sections. Trying to make them as even as possible, but remember I'm only human, right? Just like you are only human. Okay? So Wednesday is going to be 6 times greater than Tuesday. How many bars am I going to draw for Tuesday? I hope your pencil's moving. How many bars am I going to draw for Tuesday? Show me with your fingers, my friends. How many bars? How many of these bars am I going to draw? Not 6. Thank you, Gladys. Tuesday will be 1. Because Wednesday is 6 times greater. Wednesday is 6 times greater. So we know how much Tuesday equals. We know that Tuesday equals 5. So if Tuesday equals 5, then every single one of these on Wednesday also equals 5. Okay? So Wednesday is 6 times greater than Tuesday. Here's Tuesday, which is 5. Wednesday is 6 times greater. It is 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times greater. When I look at that, I can easily ask myself, 6 times whatever's inside of that box is my answer for Wednesdays. How many push-ups did he do on Wednesday? How many push-ups did he do on Wednesday? How many push-ups did he do on Wednesday? Put it on your whiteboard and show me. Friends at home, put it on your whiteboard and show me. Miss Todd's class, when you have those whiteboards, you let me know. Perfect. I see her thumbs up. Absolutely. 6 times 5 is 30. So Wednesday, now I know Wednesday is 6 times 5, but now I know, hey, W equals 30 push-ups. I'm just going to put a PU for push-ups so that I have a label. 30 push-ups. Now my question, is my answer going to be 30? Because it says how many push-ups did he do on Tuesday and Wednesday? Is my answer going to be 30? No, you guys are absolutely right. What do I have to do in order to figure out my total? What do I have to do? Loud and proud, Miss Jules.
Add and say 30, which is 30, and then add 5 more, which is Tuesday.
And that would give me a grand total of?
35.
35. Give me a label. 35 push-ups. So we have 30 plus 5 more is 35. I'm going to draw a bracket over here to show that I am combining the total. 30 plus 5 is 35, and I'm going to put PU as my label for push-ups. I'm going to come back to my sentence, and I'm going to fill in my blank. Sam did 35 push-ups on Tuesday and Wednesday, all to what? All together or combined. All right, let me pause out.